you smiling about? Tell me. Penny for your thoughts? I kissed Emily. Where? Duh, on the lips. What's wrong? Penny for your thoughts? What's wrong? You kissed the wrong girl.
Crush. Webster's Dictionary's fourth definition for the word describes it as an intense and usually passing infatuation. Obviously, they leave out the crazy parts.
You all right? I'm good. Let's go! Come on! Come on! That's the ball! Get it!
How's the knee?
Yeah, good.
Cool. You going to Brock's party?
Yeah, definitely. I'll see you there, man. I'd like to order delivery. I told you I was coming.
Just making sure.
Assholes.
Yeah, well, you can thank Jules. It was her idea.
Still assholes. You seen Jules?
Yeah. Sorry.
Shit.
What are you doing up here?
I'm just keeping my eye on you. They're pulling him out of the car. He looks so hot.
Ooh, who said that?
Stop. Oh, he's talking to Karen. You know, she's completely over the freaking moon for you.
Oh, shit.
You're oblivious.
You didn't have to abduct me. I was coming anyways.
Liar.
Psycho.
Fallon. Come on.
You know, I was just going to order pizza and pass out home.
Yeah, I knew it.
No, you didn't.
I freaking knew it.
Ah, don't say that word.
What? I don't care what you say. I'm bringing it back. You know, I would have come over if it was pizza.
Backyard's off limits, guys.
Our bad.
Hey.
Hey.
You should have passed the ball.
We won, right?
Yeah, we know I'm faster than you, so next time just pass it. You don't get lucky again.
Oh, is that right?
Guys, come on, please don't.
Yeah, that's sick, Cody. Wants a fat bag. Oh, no.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Go!
Jesus, Scott! Scott, are you okay? What happened?
My knee.
Can you sit up? Can you move?
You should take it easy on the running. Didn't the doctor say it would take 2 years for the ligaments to fully heal? What's it been, 6 months?
I need to get back on the field if I want to get a scholarship.
Your mom and I can pay for school.
I mean, you can pay for it.
Are you gonna make your move?
Checkmate.
nor so miserable. My see Sarah lay quiet in the tent,
slumbering. And as his pain ached through his slumber, something like an angel, the ideal, knelt near. It's clear that some of you liked Viet. Some of you thought it was far too long to actually read it. Nice job, Bess. Okay, please try to read something, anything over the summer.
Sorry, are you alright?
Yeah, my fault.
Sorry, again.
Hey, Bess. Hello. Is that soccer kid, Scott something? Scott Norris. Cute. Was he the guy who got drunk one night and blew out his knee? Wasn't his fault. Wasn't his fault, was it? Yeah, David?
Could you come back here for 1 second?
Hey, what are you doing back here?
Checking inventory.
Are you hiding from Beth?
No, I would never hide from Bess. Why would you think that?
She's just shy because, she's new to town. Probably misses her old one. Trust me, I know the feeling.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Don't tell me you're missing Ball Sacramento. You have a nice laugh. You should try it more often.
I should get back out there.
Okay.
Hey, your friend Jeffrey's back again.
Some of your friends.
See you tomorrow, Amy.
Bye.
See you, Bess.
I want to sit next to you. I want to be your friend. I want to be as important to you as she is. What is this?
It's called Notes to Crushes.
Seems a little weird. I mean, I should know. I did so much weird stuff in high school.
Like what?
I waited for guys outside their home. I sent them anonymous love letters. I even made friends with their girlfriends to see what they liked about them. Brian Solverson was my big crush.
When I get a crush, it's bad.
Me too. Just remember, there's a fine line between cute and creepy.
Looking for this?
Jules. What are you doing here?
Just waiting for you to stop being weird.
You're the one hiding out on my porch.
Stop, you know what I mean.
Look, I just really need to focus on getting back on the field right now.
Nothing's gonna happen. I just want to talk like we used to. I lied.
My dad is here. I told you he's here. Ow! You want the food? Stop. I think we should stop.
Are you sure?
No. Yes, I'm sure.
That's, just so you know what you're missing.
Jules. Hey, Jules, wait up. I need you, Jules. As a friend. And I can't handle screwing that up right now.
Okay, I get it. I promise that's the last time I kiss you first.
Hey, Bess.
How do you know where I live?
I have my ways.
Have you been following me home?
Where's your family?
What do you mean?
I've been here, let's just say a while. And there are no lights.
My parents are travel writers. They spend their summers researching cities.
Cool. Party at your house.
They'll be back soon.
I made you a mix.
I don't like the music you listen to.
You don't know the music that I listen to. Just take it.
How long you been standing there?
I just got here.
Thanks for the help, man.
You look like you had it. Were you done already?
Yeah.
Any pain?
Nope.
Dad, his girl Friday's playing at Tivoli tonight. You want to go?
I need to catch up on work tonight.
Come on, you love that movie. You're the reason I love that movie.
I'd like to go.
Sure.
I'm so sorry. You all right? You okay? You seem okay. Do you go to Highland?
I'm in your English class.
Oh, sorry. What's your name?
Bess,
I'm Scott.
I know.
What are you, or what were you listening to? Yeah, it's cool. I should keep going.
What were you listening to?
You like it? It's, Mighty Hands.
I love it.
Yeah? It's nice to meet you, Bess. See you around.
Hey, Scott. Hey, Scott. Hey, Scott.
Hey, Bess, right?
Hey, Scott.
Did you read my post?
What post?
We should probably head inside.
Okay.
Hey, Scott.
I thought you hated anything black and white.
Not true.
Just a newspaper story, Hildy. It's a career. And you stand there belly aching about whether you catch an 8 o'clock train or a 9 o'clock train.
Well, I never figured it that
you're still
way.
a doll-faced hick, that's why.
Gee, you can't move that desk. It's crawling with cops outside.
All right, we lower it out the window with pulleys. Now quit stalling. Get the typewriter over here. Come on, start pounding on the leaves.
How much of this stuff do you want?
All the words you got. Hello, give me Duffy.
Hey, Walter.
What?
Can I call the mayor a bird of prey?
Call him anything you like.
How about the time he had his house painted by the fire department?
Give him the word.
Uh-huh.
Hello, Duffy. Get set.
Shall meet with mighty hands from where we stand forever. We shall see
Scott?
Okay, I liked it.
Liar.
No.
Well, you want me to walk you home?
No, I'm alright.
You sure?
Yeah. Bye.
Hmm.
Hey, Jeffrey.
You want to get some food?
Yeah, sure. David, we're okay to close up without Bess, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes. Go on.
You want one from the margarita side or one from the pepperoni side?
I'm not hungry.
Yeah, me neither. Scott Norris thinks you're a freak. Everyone does. Except for me.
You don't get to choose who you like.
I know.
makes you think it's referring to me? All right. You know, it could be worse. Could be on the inside.
You think this is funny?
Just tell me the truth. Did you do this?
You think I wrote this? Are you insane?
Come on. You're always doing weird stuff like this, Jules. Jules.
Just go.
Hey, Scott. Large chip?
Yeah. Thanks.
Scott,
Oh, hey, Miss Brown.
you're not in my class anymore. You can call me Nancy. You know, I can tell you didn't read Viet.
Yes, I did.
You don't think I've read the Cliff Note answers?
Then why'd you give me an A?
An A minus.
Sorry, I just haven't had a lot of time and rehabbing the knee.
No, I know. I get it. I see you run by my apartment every morning. I know how hard you've been working. You know, you should really read Viet when you get a chance this summer. It's one of my favorite books. I mean, the way the ending is so ambiguous, whether they get together or not, or even if he lives.
Well, what do you think happens at the end?
I think he lives. I believe in hopeful endings.
I'll read it, I promise.
Yeah? Well, give me a call when you do. I'd like to know what you think.
Oh, hey, Beth, right?
It's Bess. With an S.
Sorry, yeah, Beth. See you around.
Are you really going to call her?
What?
You run by my house every day, too.
You know, I got an anonymous love letter. It talked about how I'm not just an athlete, how I'm different but no one sees it, that I'm misunderstood. Well, you know what? It's wrong, and I hope whoever wrote that letter understands and realizes to stay away from my friends. I'll see you around.
You're wrong. You're talented. You are different. You're an artist.
Did you pick that out of the trash? Just stop, please.
Crushes suck, huh? It's good to be realistic. You can't wait around on someone. You might miss the real thing.
I'm gonna go open up the store.
Oh my god. That was excruciating.
Don't say anything, please. I mean, you don't know what it's like.
What? I do, a little bit.
Can you just forgive me for this, please?
My best friend.
You stupid bitch.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
I don't know. I was just watching you.
For how long?
Long enough.
Can I make a confession? I hired you because I thought you were cute. Is that sexist?
Yeah?
Yeah, it kind of is.
That's okay.
Scott. Yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're not fine. You don't have your brace. You don't have a spotter.
No, that had nothing to do with it. I just...
That has everything to do with it.
I thought I honestly don't know what happened. No, it's good, Coach. Good. Solid. There's nothing wrong.
I'm sorry, son.
What do you mean you're sorry?
Go home. I promised your dad.
I know you heard.
Coach Evans called.
You don't even come to my games. You have no right to strike a deal with him or to judge how hurt I am.
I don't want you running for a while. Soccer isn't the only thing you're good at.
What else am I good at, Dad?
You're smart, Scott. Whether you know it or not. Your mom and I both think so.
You want to talk about Mom? Then let's really talk about her. She left us both, Dad. What?
Jules!
What the hell is wrong with you? Do you even know what you're doing?
Sometimes I just can't help myself.
A normal person doesn't act like this. Can you get that into your head?
Don't talk to her that way.
Stop, Jeffrey.
Yeah, stay out of this. You don't get it.
I get that she's better than that bitch, Jules.
Just get out! Now!
Hey. Scott Norris was looking for you.
I know. I've seen you. You make it look so easy.
What are you talking about?
I've seen you with David.
are you doing?
Waiting for a cab. I'll be back Monday.
Sure.
Came up last minute. Call your coach.
What? Why?
Just call him. I'll see you Monday.
One more time. Your dad seems to be against you playing. So if he's asking me to give you another chance,
Get the hell over.
Just wait.
You want to get rid of me? Fine, you win. I will stay away from you.
I didn't send it, I swear.
Oh, who did? Your secret admirer?
Yes.
You're not that special.
Just, where are you going? Are you going to Brock's party? Jules, you don't have to go.
I'm not gonna play some victim holed up in her bedroom.
No, Jules, just stay here for a second and talk to me.
Breathe a little, just let it breathe a little. Stop and just let it breathe a little. Let it breathe. My train just passed, so as I wait for.
Damn it. God, you scared me. Thanks. You're best, right? You were in my math class. How come you always wear black and white?
It's too difficult to think about all the other colors.
Thanks for the tissue.
Why are you crying?
Lots of reasons.
I know that feeling.
I think I need a drink. Hey. Thanks for coming up here. As long as I keep my head buried in those clouds. Yep. Put another drink.
Hey.
Hi.
Doing okay?
I've been better. Broccoli.
No, I can't believe he did that to you. Makes me glad he blew out his knee.
I need to lay down.
Okay, do you want me to come?
I'm fine.
Are you sure you're gonna be okay?
How could Bess do something like that?
She's insane. I'm sorry. I thought she would stop, but she's out of control. We should go to the police.
I didn't see anything, and I've been drinking. They're not gonna believe me.
And I'm gonna take care of this, okay? I'm not gonna let her hurt you again.
What are you gonna do?
I'll think of something.
I need to lie down. I'll be fine.
Are you all right?
I think so. I think they've left just in time.
I'm so sorry.
I'm fine. Seriously. Like, at least it's not bleeding. Seriously, I'm okay. I can't say the same for my bike.
Oh, God.
Shit.
Take this.
Thank you.
Let me take you to the hospital.
No, it's okay. Really.
Let me at least take you home.
Okay.
I'm Scott, by the way.
Andy. Thanks. So, thanks for dropping me off.
Yeah, sure. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I think everything's in place.
Gee, this is still bleeding. Just let me take you to the hospital, please.
No, it's fine. Really. I have a first aid kit inside.
Well, then at least let me help you.
Okay. Come.
Here, put your leg up on the table.
You know, I could do this myself.
I have scars all over my legs. Trust me, you don't want one. And if you don't clean it properly, it will scar.
Okay, I trust you.
Sorry. Almost done. All right. Better? Good. I'm gonna go put this away.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, nice chessboard.
It's just like the one in your kitchen.
What? Sorry, again.
Give me a call when you do. I'd like to know what you think.
No, I gotta go actually, 'cause I have company. Yeah, it's a man. I gotta go, Mom. I love you too. Bye. Oh, God.
Oh, God. We need to talk.
About what?
Where Where are your parents, really?
What are you talking about?
I looked them up on Amazon. They weren't there. Travel writers? That sounds so fake.
Are you crazy?
Are you?
Hey, guys. Oh, what happened to your eye?
He's fine.
Okay. We're just unpacking. Do you want to invite your friend in, Bess?
Can we be alone, Mom?
Okay.
Do you like it? I wish I had more time to make everything perfect.
Stupid bitch, you have to let me know what's wrong with you.
It's okay. I use this sometimes to calm myself. Oh, your dad, he left a message. He said he landed safely. You texted him back cool. I like this phone so much better than your other one.
If it makes you feel any better, I would have helped you cover it up.
You mean you were going to help me cover up murdering my parents?
Yeah.
I'm sorry for all the mean things I say to you sometimes.
You can say whatever you want to me.
You're a good friend, Jeffrey.
Anything but that.
Okay, but are you gonna be able to handle that? So you'll stop doing weird things?
Mm-hmm.
Like, following me? You will? Like, you stop following me around?
Yeah. So you've never done anything weird before?
Bye, Jeffrey.
Hey, I forgot a few things last night. Well, let me guess. Notes to crushes? I know it hurts when things don't work out. I loved a boy in school.
Brian Silverson.
Yeah. He had no idea who I was. He died never knowing I existed.
He died?
But I promised myself that I would never let that happen again if I found someone like him.
Have you found someone like him?
I think so.
David's nice. I like him.
Can you close up?
Sure.
I'll be at home if you need me.
You know, you remind me of myself in high school.
Missed you at the store. I'm sorry for just showing up like this. You haven't been returning my calls, so I just...
I can't do this, David.
What did I do wrong? Tell me. Tell me what I did wrong.
No, it's me.
Please don't say that.
Everywhere I go, I find someone, and then I lose them. I just want this time to be different.
It will be different. I just want to talk. Andy, I promise you, I will not give up. I believe in this. I believe in us.
It would have been so much easier if it was you. No, this isn't for you. This is for you.
People are gonna start looking for me soon. My dad's gonna be home.
True. They're not gonna think to look for you in my basement.
I'm nothing special. I'm not worth all of this.
You are wrong. This was right. I want you to draw me like you drew her.
I wasn't drawing Bess.
Who are you drawing? The teacher! I want you to draw me like you drew her. If you do it, I'll let you go. I let you go.
Done. So, you like it? Can I go? What?
Please don't do this.
Do it again.
Call 911.
You okay? What's going on?
Call 911. Call 911. Just dial it.
911, state your emergency.
Hey, what's going on?
911.
Go, Beth!
I tried to help you.
Go, Beth! Run! Go, Beth! Go! Beth!
Shut up, Ryan!
Fuck you!
Wake up.
Thanks. Both of you.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
somebody just told me to show up.
Do you want to sit and wait till I get here?
Sure.
Secret admirer, huh?
Yeah, I guess.
How come you're not at the party?
I just study for a history test. Besides, I'm not really a party person. What are you working on?
Well, I'm trying to get into art school.
Just where you go when I gaze in your pale eyes. You're in disguise and overseas and away from me at a loss for a goodbye.
Hello, Sophie. I'm Robert Graham. You can step outside, thanks. Or do you prefer Andy? Or Mary? I'll be taking your case. Nancy Brown woke from her coma, so that's some good news. Bad news, though, she identified you as her attacker. What I've gotten from others, this started with Brian Salverson. He died in high school from an accidental drowning.
No.
So it wasn't an accident.
No, it didn't start with him.
So who did it start with then? Can you put the book down and look at me? I'm trying to help you. This is important. Take your time. You're gonna be here for a while.
I really don't stay in one place too long.
Before daybreak there were 9, and as it broke there was 1. From moon to sun it goes on and on. The winter battle was won, the summer children were born, and so the story goes on and on. Come woman, it's late. time and go on.